make it real. With colors this vibrant and vision so deep, the dawn is a canvas where our dreams we can feel. Times of shadow, times of tear tucked in the creases of the night. With the sunrise they fade away in its warm golden light. There's a rhythm beat within us, humming softly, taking flight. In every dawn a dream is born, with a hope so bright. There's a sunrise in our dreams, it's a promise we keep. Every new day brings a chance to make it real. With colors this vibrant and vision so deep, the dawn is the canvas where our dreams we can feel. Times of shadow, times of tear tucked in the creases of the night. With the sunrise they fade away in its warm golden light. There's a rhythm beat within us, humming softly, taking flight. In every dawn a dream is born, with a hope so bright. There's a sunrise in our dreams, it's a promise that we weave. Every new dawn grants a gift, a journey to conceive. Across landscapes wild and serene, we trust, we believe. The sunrise holds the path where our dreams interweave. As the light washes the sky, whispers tales of beginnings, we wait in the arms of a dream where every sunrise is winning. Drawn to the horizon where our futures are spanning, the hopes of 1,000 dawns. With every sunrise or brilliant, there's a sunrise in our dreams. It's the song that we sing. The dawn is our anthem, the daylight it brings. In every color of morning, in every wild wing, a sunrise to our dreams is a resilient ring. And as the world spins slowly beneath the day's embrace, in every sunrise we find our pace. As dreams unravel in the dawn's gentle grace, a sunrise of dreams in every sunlit trace. As the world spins slowly beneath the day's embrace, in every sunrise we find